Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with n8n for creating no-code automation workflows. Easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the n8n website. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sign Up button, usually located in the top right corner. Click on the Sign Up button to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to the registration page. Here, you can choose to sign up using your email or an existing Google account. If you prefer to use your email, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, create a strong password and confirm it in the following field. Read and accept the terms of service and privacy policy, then proceed by clicking the Sign Up button. After submission, check your email inbox for a verification email from n8n. Open that email and click on the verification link provided. Once your email is verified, return to the n8n site to log in. Enter your email and password on the login page, then click Login. You will be taken to your n8n dashboard. From here, you can start building your no-code automation workflows. Explore the available templates and features to familiarize yourself with the interface. Remember, you can access the documentation for additional guidance on using n8n. Take your time to experiment with different workflows to see what works best for you. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.